Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Zuku kit and selecting the mount point. This matters because signal strength depends on clear line of sight. Once done, mark the bracket holes using a level and drill pilot holes. Make sure to use appropriate anchors for your material. Then loosely attach the dish bracket so you can still adjust angle. This first setup saves time and prevents re-drilling, and you'll be ready to refine azimuth and elevation next. Now you aim the dish. Use your compass or app to set the azimuth, then set elevation per Zuku specs. Small adjustments change signal a lot, so move in 1-2 degree increments. Make cable connections next, weather seal any roof entries, and create a drip loop to prevent water ingress. Once the coax reaches the set-top box or modem, tighten F connectors and power the unit slowly, watching signal strength indicators so you can fine-tune alignment for optimal reception. Finish by tightening all mount bolts once you see peak signal and stable channels. Leave a note to recheck after a day in case the structure shifts. Next, complete the activation or channel scan on the box. Follow prompts and enter any required account info so services register correctly. If you run into problems, isolate the cause. Verify power to the LNB, test cable continuity, and adjust dish in half-degree steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.